Imagine a learning environment where every experience gives you the confidence to lead, inspire, and make a difference. When I came to Nile, I had one goal: to step out of my comfort zone and test my limits. I wanted more than lectures. I wanted a place where my ideas could grow. Every day, I'm growing into the person I always dreamt of becoming. Confident, capable, and ready for the world. This is where I belong. We're in an environment that supports us to test ideas, build projects, and make meaningful impact. We are gaining skills that extend beyond the classroom, preparing us for opportunities on a global scale.
We found our place here. You can too.
Oh my god.
Wow.